Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching our video. We appreciate your time here. I know everybody's busy, so we want to do this quick video for you guys, and so you can learn about JP Plus and who we are. My name is Juan Peguero. The company is JP Plus, and we are located in Salem, New Hampshire. So who are we? Who is JP Plus? We are a service-oriented company. We develop software and work with software, and we help our customer the best we can. So we're here to provide services, and we also will help with hardware, but our main focus is in the services side. We have extensive Opto 22 hardware and software experience. So we are a partner of Opto, and we've been working with Opto for a very long time. We are very knowledgeable in all aspects of controls and data collection and wireless communications. So we get experience in all of those areas. And we have been in business for 7 years. So besides that, we've been working with Opto for longer than that, since 1997. And all our staff is very knowledgeable in the Opto 22 product line. So what do we do? We are do consulting, so we'll come into your company and work with you on your projects and what you are trying to do and what you're trying to accomplish. We do training, so we are a certified Opto 22 trainer, and we've been trained in all of the different software versions of Opto 22. So we can do just a simple software training, but we could also do troubleshooting training, and we can do a specialized training for you, like a startup training class to get you started, or we can train all the different staff members of your company. We do system design, so we'll come with you. We'll look at what you are trying to accomplish. What hardware do you need? So all that has to deal with the control side. We can help you pick I/O, pick everything you need. We can build a cabinet for you and put it together and ship it to you. So anything that's from the control size back, we can help on the design part. We'll do the programming of the Opto 22. We have extensive programming in the pack control software. We also do Visual Studio programming if that's also needed. We do data collection, so we can set data from Opto 22 equipment or other equipment into your databases so they can be later analyzed. We do the system implementation, so once everything is put together, we'll either come into your site and check that everything is working properly as it's supposed to, and that the software does what it's supposed to. And we can do that either remotely or on site. So we have a couple of customers that now have a product that's more or less stable. And so now we can connect to those systems and do the installation for them on the software side. Now with all the health issues that are in the planet, this is something that we can do, and that's been helping us out through this time. And we do system support. So once the system is in place and everything is working, we can troubleshoot either remotely through remote connection, or we can call on site and see what the issue is and trying to resolve it. So what applications have we done in the past? So we work with Opto, like I said, and other products to do different applications. This is an example of a remote monitoring application that we've done. This particular customer had originally a PAX system, and we added a Groove interface to it. And now they can remotely look at the data. So this is a pumping station. A truck comes into the pumping station. They have a little keypad where they enter the data and how many gallons they're going to pump. And the gallons are pumped into the truck, and everything is done. It also chlorinates the water as needed, depending on the amount of water that gets pumped. Everything is saved, and then somebody can remotely look at it, or the data is also sent remotely into a database. Another application that we've done in the past is a system upgrade. So if you're coming back from an old equipment and you want to update to the newest, latest Groove Epic application, we can do that for you. We can go all the way from zero to factory floor into pack. Or, if it's something completely old and it's just an old system, we can just put a brand new control system on it and start controlling and collecting the data. We also done pharmaceutical applications with a clean room. This was a brand new application using Groove Epic, where the clean room needed to be controlled, with temperature, humidity, and entry into the room. All of the information is sent back to a site where the data is being collected and being analyzed. So all the data is being analyzed and for troubleshooting and maintenance. This is a first serve monitoring application. In here, we're using Node-RED to connect to a third-party sensors, temperature and humidity sensors to monitor the freezers. All of the data is collected and then is displayed on the screen. And the users get texted whenever a room goes over a particular limit. And so this is an application where we use a connection via Node-RED, but Opto also gives us the ability to use Modbus, CAN bus, and other protocols. And now through Node-RED, we can connect to an unlimited number of applications. We also been able to connect to via custom protocols to different type of devices using the Opto 22, either through Node-RED or through the programming itself. And we also have all the tools. So because we deal with databases, we can connect directly to a database once we send the data from Opto, and we can create trending applications, web interfaces. So all the data can be now monitored, analyzed, and different reports for viewing for the supervisor and for the system administrators to see how the system is performing. Again, we want to thank you for having us, and we are at your service if you need us. Thank you very much.